This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we can go for see that some simple dashboard, some requirements we can go through it and how we can create the dashboard as well. Okay, just go with sample superstores data set. Someone ping me. I shared you some questions right today. Okay. All right. Yeah, we can go for see that these three things today. 10, not 3, sorry. Okay, so we need to be create a dashboard. We need to create a dashboard with the KPIs of sales, profit, quantity, discount. Okay, show on quick filters. The quick filter should be region, year, ship modes. I want to
Sir, not able to hear your voice.
sorry guys. Yeah, sorry, I'm speaking on mute. Uh, okay, so we want to show that the main KPIs here. What are the main KPIs we have in our data? So sales, quantity, profit, discount. These are the KPIs in our main KPIs in our data. Okay, I want to show these values as a KPIs. So how we can get display these KPIs is just drag that sales, profit, discount. These are all things into the text. Okay, text label. So we can get the value here, right? So you want to make it as a formatting this value. Double click on the text. Okay, three dots here in the text. Three dots are there. Just select that, and what are the format you want to do that you can able to do it from here. Okay, make it bold and increase the size of the value, and bold you can put it alignment left right center alignments. You can do all the things. The value will be shown like this, right? So if we want to display the, I want to say that what is this value. Okay, you want to make it as define that it is a sales. Enter here, you can type sales. Okay, it is a sales. Put it sales here. Click OK. Can you show this? So this is how we can represent. This is the sales KPI. Okay, center alignment. You want to put the sales as in center alignment. Take the sales and put it center. Okay, and this one also select it. Put it center. Apply. Okay, and alignment you can go for horizontal center and vertical also center. So where we get this option? Text. When you go for and drag the sales into text label and double click on the text, we have the formatting option. Whatever the format you want to do that, which field in the text, that can be do it from here. Okay, font size you can change it, size and format, which format in bold, italic, underline, and color you want to be represent, which color you want to represent, everything can be do it from this option. Okay, apply. Okay, so now sales KPI is done. We have the sales KPI. You can right mouse on the sheet, rename it to sales. Okay, this is a sales KPI, right? So same way I want to do it for the profit quantity all, right? So just go for new sheet. Second, drag the profit into text. We have the profit value. So try to do that. Sales, we already did the formatting. Right mouse on the sales sheet, copy format option is there, right? Copy formatting and go for sheet 2, paste formatting. Mm, it's not working. All right. So do one thing, remove this sheet to delete it. So how can I upload this data? We have the duplicate option. Okay, go for duplicate. We have sheet duplicated. If you double click on this field, if you double click on the sum of sales, you can remove the sales here and you can select the profit. Okay, double click on profit. See the sum of profit. So here replace with the sales. I need to go for make it as profit. Remove this profit. Okay, simple. It is a very similar value. Simple. Okay, so you can rename this sheet to profit. Right, simple, right? Here we have sales values 23 lakhs 26,534. The profit value is 2 lakhs 92,000. Right, 297. So this is the sales and profit. Next, what else we have KPIs? Discount and quantity. Okay, discount and quantity. Go for create new sheet. Just right mouse on the existing sheet. Duplicate option. Duplicate is nothing but the same sheet we are taking as a copy of it. Okay, duplicating that. And here you double click on the measure you taken into the text. You simply go for remove that profit. Okay, sum of in the brackets I haven't given anything. You can type it quantity, select quantity, enter. Okay, this is the total quantity of products we sold it. If you want to change this profit to quantity, right, double click on the text and go with the three dots button in the text here. Remove that profit quantity, right? This is the quantity value. You rename the sheet as well. Quantity, right? Sales, profit, and quantity. Next, what else we have it? Duplicate the sheet. We have it discount, right? Here, see, keep observe that. Double click on this measure which you dragged into the text. Remove the inner part of the sum of we have it, right? Remove the quantity and type that discount. While you are typing, automatically pop up. The measure can be shown in the pop up. Select it. While you are entering here, the cursor should be lost in the sum of discount. It should be here. Then only it will be get it. Cursor inside of the brackets. If you enter it, it doesn't get anything. it will throw an error. Okay, these are the quantity we sold it. Sorry, discount. Okay, double click on this next and go for discount. Always should be in average, not sum, I guess. Okay, we can go for make change that. Discount. All right, we have the discount and select this format, whatever you given earlier. You need to give the same. Apply. Okay, we have the discount. Here you can change that. I want to change this discount into average. How I can change? The sum is the aggregation function. If you want to change this format, go for select here. For each measure, there is a triangle down. Triangle symbol is here, right? More options. You can go with that and measure sum. Replace with average. Okay, the discount average discount is 0.15% or 1.5%. Okay, this is a discount. So we have created all KPIs. This is rename it to discount. Right, discount is done. So the 4 KPIs are done. So what is the next requirement we have it? So we want to show that quick filters, region, year, ship mode. 3 fields I want to show a quick filter. So generally filter means we drag the dimension filter, measure filter into filter shelf. We filter the data. So here what I want to do is I want to show a quick filter. Quick filter is nothing but we can click on show filter. Okay. So we want a region, right? A region you can go for here. This is a region. If you don't find the region field, just select the region here. Under this location hierarchy, the region would be there. Okay. Right mouse on this, show filter is nothing but a quick filter. Show filter means quick filter. Right mouse on the region, show filter. Okay, what are the regions are there? We can see it here. What are the different types of regions are there in the data? So we can see here. How can I get this show filter? Right mouse on the region, click on show filter. Click on show filter. We can get that filter option here. So from this, you can go for select the region you want to see. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
You can hear me, right? Yeah. So if you want to show that central and east region both, then you can select the central and east from the show filter. I want to show total value of these 3 regions, central region, east region, south region. What is the total sales value? Then select the 3. Okay, if you want to see all, select all the 3 regions, total sales. So we have a sales in all 4 regions. I want to see what is the central region sales. I want to see the east region sales. So you can have an option here. You can go for see that only that particular region data. Central region data only I want to see that. Select the central region from the show filter. You can get central region sales is 5,000,000, 5,03,171. I want to see combination of this central and east region total sales how much. Okay, central and east region total sales how much? 11,94,999. Okay, all the regions. What is the total sales? You can click on it. You can get all the region sales. Right. This is the option we are providing to the end user to select any region data he want to see that. Okay, any region data, especially you want to see that. This show filter we are giving to the end users. Okay, this is a show filter. Right, this is the total sales value. Same filter I want to apply for the profit, quantity, discount. Okay, I want to see that uh, what is the region wise profit. Okay, central region how much profit, east region how much profit, west region how much profit. I want to see that. So that's the same filter which we have it in sales level, that can be applied to that other sheets as well. What are the sheets we have it here? Profit, quantity, discount. We can apply to these sheets also. How we can do that is you can go with this show filter. So there is more options here. apply to worksheets. This particular filter I am applying to that all the sheets. So how we can do it is just go with the more options in the filter, apply to worksheets and selected worksheets. We have the option called as selected worksheets. Okay. If we go for click on that, it will show that what are the sheets we have created. You can select it. Okay. Click OK. All the sheets can be reflected with this filter. When I select the central here, the sales central, at the same time profit also see that central region level, and quantity also show that central region. Okay, here you can see automatically the filter can be shown here, region is central. Same option you can see discount as well, region is central. So from here we can apply that whatever the filter we wanted, it can be applied to the multiple sheets. Okay. So this is east, I can select it east wise sales we are getting. So what is the next filter we want to be apply? A region and year ship mode. So if you want to get the year field, any date field we want to get it, that should be in date, year or quarter or month if you want to get it. That's we are getting from the order date field. Okay, you can go for select here, show filter. By default, highest level of high aggregation for date is year. Okay, that's why we can get it all the years. Same you can see when I select here only 2019 East region sales how much we are showing. First filter is 2019. In 2019, what is the East region sales? What is the East region sales? I want to see in 2019 total sales. You can select all the regions. 2019 total sales I wanted. You need to select all the regions. Only the particular region you wanted in 2019. I want to see only West region sales. Select the West region sales. You can get it. The combination of filters. So on the particular year, particular region data, you want to see that the combination you need to be selected. I want to see only latest year 2022. All the region sales is this. All the region sales is this. You want to go for particular region, select that, only check that, uncheck the remaining ones. Okay, we can see the particular data. Same year filter I want to apply for all the sheets, right? Again, so it's independent. This is the independent filter. This is independent filter. I want to apply the year filter to all profit, quantity, discount, all the sheets. Just go for more options here. Apply to worksheets, selected worksheets. Okay, you need to select that which sheets you want to be reflect with this particular filter. Okay, just click OK. Now this year filter can also apply to the profit, quantity, discount sheets as well. Right. This year filter also can be applied to the profit, quantity, discount sheets as well. Okay. So we have three sheets. Data show filter. Okay. See that ship mode also came here. We have the ship mode option as well. So order, you can put it order, whatever the order you wanted. Year, region, ship mode I wanted. Okay, year first. What are the year I selected? Under that year, what are the regions of data I wanted? And particular ship mode. Okay, particular ship mode I wanted. So go for apply this ship mode also into all the sheets. Okay, how we can do that? The ship mode option, more options you can go for apply to worksheet, selected worksheets. Okay, these three I can select it. Clear? So we have three sheets, three filters are there, and four sheets are there. So how can we drag them into the dashboard? So very simple creating the dashboard here. This is the place. We can say the dashboard canvas or dashboard area, we can call it as. So you need to, these are the sheets which you have created, sales, profit, quantity, discount. We have created four sheets, right? The four sheets here and one dashboard we need to be drag it. Okay, how we can drag it? Drag the text. I want to put a dashboard title. Okay, I can give it sales dashboard. Okay, sales dashboard we have it. Go for select it. and size you want to mention it, whatever the size you can mention, bold it, click OK. Okay, this is a sales dashboard. So by default, what are the object you drag into dashboard? It's to occupy entire space in the dashboard. Okay, it's occupy the entire space. So if I want to be adjust the sales dashboard into top right, here I want to put my title. How can you go for adjust? That is simple, drag the another object or blank will be there. Okay, there is a blank. Drag the blank into, so where you want to put this blank, it will ask you want to put it top, right, left or bottom. So you need to be hold it, take that blank, take the blank and you need to hold it where you want to drag it. It will give the automatic options where you want to drag it, but hold it, put it there, drop it. Okay, can we see that we can adjust into here? Now this is entire space is free. The blank we have it here. Okay, which object you want to drag it? Sales. Again, you drag it. It will ask you where you want to drop the sales. Okay, you want left side, right side, bottom, top. Okay, so just drop it here. On top, I want it. So we have the sales here. Next, I want to drag one more sheet. Drag the profit. So it will ask you the option. Where do you want to put this your? Okay, where I want to put it, it's in next to the sales. Suppose I want to bottom of the sales. Just drop it here. And you can adjust this. You can go for adjust this. Where you want to put it. Okay, so let it be, keep it here. So next quantity is there. Where you want to drop the quantity. I want to put it next to the sales or bottom of the profit. Where you want to drop it, you can drop. Okay, I want to put it in the bottom of it. Okay, it is coming next to it. So drag the sales into here. Okay, sales quantity profit. So I want to adjust the spaces, sales quantity profit. This space I want to occupy for the report, right? You can take one more blank. Okay, you can take one more blank where I'm dropping. I want to adjust this all into this side. Okay, just drag it here. You can go for see this. Okay, one more time I can do that. I don't want to be touch this sales dashboard. I don't want to touch the sales dashboard. Okay, just drag the blank. Okay, let it be. Remove this name now. Later we can add it. Okay, it's you can go for adjust this. Now these are all adjusted. So how much size you want it, you can adjust it. And here also you can go for make it as sales. So already two times the sales is showing here. I don't want the title. Right mouse here, hide title. Right mouse here, hide title. Right mouse here, hide title. Okay. Right mouse here, you can go for get hide the title. You can adjust that wherever you want it. Right.
Srinivas sir, your voice not audible.
So immediately inform to me. So why it's getting mute, I don't. Automatically it's getting muted.
In between, it is getting muted, sir.
Okay, please, if you're not getting, yeah, automatically it's getting muted. I'm not sure why it's getting mute.
And also, there is something struck your screen.
Okay, I will check that. If you don't listen my voice, if you're not getting my voice, please let me know. Okay. Yeah, we can make it as a discount here. So we can go for display the KPIs. When you go for represented, make it as sales is a very smaller one, the text, and highlight the values, bigger high values. Okay. And profit also make it as font size is lesser, not equal, make it. So we can put the KPIs like this. Okay. So if you don't want to put it in the left side, you want to put the on top of the border. On the top, you want to display the matrix. Just I'm cleaning this. I'm cleaning this dashboard. Just click here. Clear sheet or clear dashboard would be there. You can remove it. Okay. Again, I'm showing that how we can drag it. Simply, you can drag the sales into here. Okay. And I want to put my filters on top or left. You can decide it how you want to get display that. Make sure for time being keep it in the right side. Later we can change it and drag the profit next to the sales. I want to put sales here and quantity next to the right. So you can adjust this sales, profit, quantity, and discount. Okay. So now I want to drag my either blank or text, whatever you want to be drag it. For time being, drag the blank. So I want to put my blank here. I'll try to drag the sheet. Already we have it, right? Okay. Once we create a few more sheets, I will show you how we can drag it. So now you can see that how the data can be represented. So 2022, I want to show only central region data. All the data related to central sales of the central region, profit, and quantity of the sales and discount. And you can select the east region, combination of these two. Total central and east region, total sales how much, profit how much, quantity how much, discount how much. Okay, these three regions sales. Okay, and 2022 only. If you want to combination 2021 also you want to show that, select the 2021 as well. Okay, and I want to see ship mode only same day which are the delivered. I want to see that which are the same day delivered. So total sales value we can 50,000 for same day delivery. Profit we got it from 1798 from the same day delivery. Total quantity we delivered in the same day is 770. 770 quantity we delivered in the same day. So in the first class delivery, you select the only first class delivery. What is the total sales value, profit, quantity, and discount? Okay, these are the filters. Very comfortably you can change the values in the desktop. Okay, very comfortably you can change the values in the dashboard. Okay, so that's why these show filters are very important, and we can use it in each and every dashboard. The filters are show filters or quick filters. We can use in each and every dashboard. Okay, clear so far? Any questions? Any questions? Now,
No, nothing.
quickly I show you how to create the sheets. Yeah. First one, bar chart with sales and profit by customer. I want to show that profit and sales by each and every customer. Bar chart with sales and profit by customer. So go for new sheet. Which are the fields we required it? Customer. So try to type here customer, customer name into rows. We have all the customers, right? And we have the sales. Okay, drag the sales into columns. Each customer by sales and profit as well. Drag the profit also into here. So each customer by sales and profit. Okay, sales and profit both we have it each and every customer wise. So whenever you do this reporting kind of bar chart, the best practice method is make it ascending or descending order, any one of it. Always be in ascending order or descending order. Okay, put a descending order and display the values. Okay, the values you can display it, and you can go for represent the color as well. Drag the sales into color shelf. Okay, drag the sales into color shelf. You can see where the sales is high, that's in the color. We should be, that's a best practice method. And who can see the visualization, they can easily understand that what you are representing. Okay, that's the best practice where you can follow it. Apply. Okay, so this is the highest customer who is getting highest sales by this guy, and it's getting reduced. So if you want to maintain the separate color for the profit and sales, we do that. Okay, I will show you how we can do it later. Okay, just timing, you can create the sales and profit by customer, rename it uh, customer wise, customer level sales and profit. Okay, simple report, right? Each and every customer level sales and profits. Okay, next sheet. What is the next sheet we wanted? Show the top 10 customer based on sales. I want to show the top 10 customers based on the sales. Okay, go for new sheet. We require that customer name. Take the customer name and we want the sales. Drag the sales into columns and make it as descending order. Text values display that. Okay, and color also. Drag the sales into color shelf. Okay, double click and change into the different color. Apply. Okay. So now we want to get that only top 10 customers. Once you make a descending order, highest value is this. From there, top 10 customers we need to be display that. Generally, what is the option we want to display the top 10 customers? We can go for ఇన్నిసార్లు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత సేల్స్ ఇంటి ఫిల్టర్ అని చెప్పకూడదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎందుకంటే అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికే చెప్పమనేది. Customer top you can go for by field top 10. Okay, top 10 sales, sum of sales. Okay, we drag the customer name into filter shelf top 10, and that should be in sales sum of sales. Apply. Okay, so these are the top 10 customers. Okay, these are the top 10 customers. So here you can rename it, top 10 customers by sales. Top 10 customers by sales. Okay, what is the next sheet we have it? So the count of customers by each region. Show count of customers by each region. Okay, let me go for new sheet. Region field. Here I have the region field. Okay, how many customers are there in each region? I want to count that. How can we get it? Count of customer name. Okay, create a calculation field. Right mouse here. Create calculated field. Okay, customer count. Okay, customer count. You can go with the count of customer name. Okay, customer count of customer name, you can take it. So if we have the customer ID, better to take it as a customer ID.
voice is not audible, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, these are the list of customers. So let me display this also into bar chart. Yeah, these are the count of customers each region wise, right? So these are count of customers each region wise. So make it as descending or ascending order. Okay. Drag the count of customers, customer count into color shelf. Okay. All right. Customer count by region. Okay. So next requirement, show the customer's average sale by each region. Show the customer average sales by each region. Okay, just go for do that. We need the region. So type it here is the region. Customer average sales. All right, sales you can take it. All right. So how I can get the average sales? So go for more options here. Measure as sum of sales we are taking. Make it as average. Okay. And try to put it in descending order and drag it the average sales into color. If you want to drag the sales into color shelf, press Control button, drag it. So it will be there in the columns. Again, one more drag you can drag into the color shelf. Okay, sorry, it's not Control drag it. See that we have that. We need to press the Control and drag it. Okay, make a different color. Apply. Okay. Okay, average of sales, right? We can get this to that. So simple. The aggregation we are changing. What are the aggregation we have it here? Sum. Replace the sum to average. Okay, average of each region wise. How much? If you go with a particular customer in the south region, I have the uh, how many customers are there? You can go here. South region 1620 1620 customers are there. On average, 241 rupees they are buying for some product. Okay, each customer average of the 1621 customers they are buying 241 rupees for the average. So that's we are displaying it here. Okay, that's we are getting displayed here. So we can rename it to average customer sales by region. Okay, next sheet. What is the next we have it? Show the customer count by category. Each category wise how many customers are there. Okay, so just drag the category field is here in the product, and drag the category and how many customers by each category. Anyhow we have the count of customers, right? And drag into either text or rows or columns. So most of the customers are buying which category product more? Office suppliers. Almost 6,128 customers are buying office suppliers. Okay, so put it entire view and drag that customer count into color shelf. Okay, rename it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, can we use measure values in columns? Measure values. Hello.
Yeah, Janardhan.
Hello, sir. Uh,
What is your question?
sir, can we use measure values in columns, sir? Sir, average. Sorry. At last, category wise count,
Hmm.
category wise customer count. In that sheet, average sales ఉంది కదా సార్, average sales
Hmm.
కౌంట్ బదులు మనం ఇక్కడ మెజర్ వాల్యూస్ మనం కాలమ్స్ లో యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా? పైన ఇక్కడ అగ్రిగేట్ కస్టమర్ కౌంట్ ఉన్నది కదా,
Hmm.
ఇక్కడ మనకు లెఫ్ట్
Yes,
సైడ్ లో మెజర్ వాల్యూస్ ని ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా అని అడుగుతున్నాను సార్. పైన కాలమ్స్ లో యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
there is your measure value. This one, right? Drag it.
తీసుకోండి సార్.
So measure values is nothing but all the measures can be held by the measure values. You can see all the measure values we are getting: sum of sales, sum of profit, so whatever you
ఓకే,
wanted, what are the measures you have it, all measure values can be held by the measure values, and all the measure names can be held by the measure names. Okay.
ఇక్కడ
So if you
ఫిల్టర్
want to,
చేయలేమా సార్
if you
వాల్యూస్ లో?
you can drag the measure name into filter shelf, and you can edit that filter, select the which measures you want it. I want it only count of customers or count of people or count. Just select it, apply. Okay, we can get it. We do that. Okay, measure values, measure names. Okay,
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
yeah. So what is the next requirement? Show the customer count by category. Same, you can do that. Show the customer count by state. Okay, show the state-wise sales. Each state-wise sales how much? So the top 10 state sales based on profit. Okay, simple. You can go for do the top 10 by state based on profit. Okay, sales I want to display it state by sales, but top 10 should be on profit basis. Okay, so the top 10 states by the average of sales. Okay, top 10 states average of sales I wanted. Display the pivot view, category, subcategory into rows, and the region here into columns, and add the grand total values. Okay, so how can we do it? The pivot I can show you. So display the pivot view, category and subcategory into rows. Okay, drag the category and subcategory into rows. Okay, a region into columns and year as well, right? Order date. Drag the order date into here. So you can show that each central region 2019, 20, 21, 22 data, and which one you want to make it. A region you want to put it first or year. However, based on requirement, we can change it. In 2019, Central East South region and Central East South region 2020. So based on the requirement, we can go for change it. Okay, which one you want to put it first and next. The order we can be change it. Right, for time being put it year and region. Okay, and sales. Sales, if you double click on it, automatically fall into the text. Either drag the into text. Okay, I want to show that total central region, total sales, how much here, bottom, grand total. Okay, go for analysis, totals, show column grand total. You can get the grand total here. And row grand total, you want it, totals, show row grand total. You can get the row grand total as well. This is a grand total. Okay. And subtotals, if you want to get the subtotal means furniture. This is a one part, this is we can get it one pane. Furniture level, office supplies one pane, technology one pane. Here you want to display the subtotals, we can get the subtotals as well. Total furniture, total sales, how much? Office supplies, total sales, how much? Technology, total sales, how much? That's also we can get it. Go for analysis, totals, add all subtotals. You can see the furniture level totals. This is the totals of the furniture. Office supplies, total sales. Okay, grand total. This is technology, total sales. So this is the way we can represent that pivot view. Okay, we can make it as formatted totals background into one color, all subtotals into one color, grand total one color. Okay, then it will be perfectly showing. Okay, this is a one more report you need to be implemented. Clear this?
Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Sorry. I want to apply that filters to the all the sheets. How can we do it? The filter which we have in the sales, these three show filters need to be applied to these all the sheets, right? Go for this filters, more option, apply to worksheet. You can put it selected work. Four options are there, only this worksheet. It means if you create a filter on this sheet, it will work only for this particular worksheet. The filter can work only this particular worksheet. Okay, what is the second option is apply to worksheet. Selected worksheets. What are the worksheets you can select it? Those can be reflect with this filter. Those can be reflect with this filter. Others cannot be. Only these sheets can be reflected with that filter. So there is a third option. You can go with more options. Apply to worksheet. All using this data source. So these sheets all building based on the same data source. Right? The data source is sample superstores. Okay. So what are the worksheet you can create it? All the worksheets can be reflect with these filters. Okay. All the worksheets can be reflect with this filter. So apply worksheet. I can choose this option. All using this data source. Okay. This one also same. Apply this for all using this data source. All using this data source. It means these filters need to be reflect on all the worksheets using this data source you can create it. Using this data source, how many worksheets you can create it, all can be reflected with this particular three filters. Okay, data can be changed on the selection for all the sheets. So once you have created these all sheets, those need to be designed in the dashboard. Now you need to bring them into the dashboard level. Okay, so what have we have it? Top 10 customers. Where do you want to put this top 10 customers? Okay, so here we can get the top 10 customers. So we don't get the top 10 customers here because there is some simple logic. So before going to it, so many options are there for these filters. You can go for select the year. We are list. This is we can call it as a multiple list. Okay, if you go with the more options, multiple value list option, multiple value drop down is there. Okay, click on that. It can be get hidden, but you can select the multiple years. Okay, same we can go for region, more options, multiple values drop down. Okay, similarly you can go for this one, multiple values drop down. Okay, earlier it's shown as, but here just we make it as a drop down option. For each filter there is a drop down. Okay, it's very comfortable. Then I can put these three filters into top of the dashboard. Okay, where I want to put it on top of the dashboard. Just drag the blank into top of it. Okay, just adjust it here and simply take it the control, hold it, drag and drop it here. Select it, hold it, drag and drop. When you select it, ship mode, there is a header, right? Hold it, drag and drop it here. Okay, now you can see all three filters in the top of the dashboard. Okay, so let's do one more time. Drag that image, or I want to put dashboard name. drag the name text one, drag the text one into top. Okay, give it sales dashboard. There is a dashboard name option also there, but you can write it your own. So make it as how bigger you want it, bold it, alignment as well. Okay, sales dashboard and filters and KPIs. Okay, on bottom of that, if you want to drag my sheets, customers level, customer top 10 customers. Okay, you can drag that top 10 customers next to bottom of that, and remove this for time being, delete this container. Okay, so next what sheets we have it, customer count. Okay, total number of customer count in each region wise. I want it customer level, remove this legends part. Uh, okay, increase the size of that, no worries. So here you can go for desktop browse option is there. If you want to increase the width and heights, yes, you can do that. Increase the height of it and adjust it. And there's a multiple options I will show you later. Just for you should be start creating a dashboard and try to know that all the options I am showing it.
సార్ ఎంటైర్ వ్యూ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా, అంటే స్క్రీన్ పెద్దది కనిపిస్తుంది, అంటే డాష్బోర్డ్ సైజ్ పెద్దది కనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah, enter view adjust చేసుకోవచ్చు. We can go for put it enter view as well.
అది సార్.
Here we have the multiple options actually. So range we can select it, and width and heights we can adjust it. So many options are there. Okay,
ఓకే సార్.
and you can drag that average customers count here. Okay, remove these legends here. And what else we have it category wise as well. Okay, so we can put it this way and remove this one as well. And you need to be formatted, remove the headers or formatted colors and all things, you can add it, it will show that. Okay, so top 10, it doesn't show the top 10 customers. I will show you there is a logic we need to be implemented, then only we can get the top 10 customers. So this is the way you can go for create your dashboard. Okay, so you need to be build all the sheets which I explained now and create a same kind of dashboard, build the same kind of dashboard. Okay, and this size also we can adjust it equal size for all the cards KPIs. We can write more here, more options you can go for it. And parameter, caption, title, fit, add show button, container tile, remove. There is an option to put a particular width of it, fit width, fit height. I will show you. Okay, so try to build that. Now you can check it how the dashboard look like. So I can go for select all the year wise sales, how much it was, all the year wise sales. Only particular year you want to look at, just select it, check only the year 2022, only 2022 data you can show in the report. And the particular region you want to go for, I don't want to go for all the regions, check it, select only central region data we can show it. Okay, particular ship modes, all the ship modes you want to see that you can get all ship modes data. And no, I want to see only same day ship mode, you can select the same day, only same day related data we can show it here. Okay, so this is the way we can create a dashboard. So there is no real time under normal practice, same way we can create in the real time as well, no need to worry about it. You need to be practice the same. So real time also we can create it same. Okay, I'm checking the headers because already we have the names here, we don't want to repeat it again. Okay, this is the way we can create the dashboard. Clear this? Any questions? So once you create it, you drag the sheets into dashboard. You can right mouse on the dashboard, hide all sheets option is there. What are the sheets already there in this dashboard? Get hided. Okay, that cannot you see in this list. Here in the bottom sheets list, you cannot see them. Already those are sheets dragged into the dashboard. Those get hided. Okay, top 10 customers and sheet 10 both cannot be dragged it. We haven't dragged those sheets into our dashboard. That's why only those two here showing. Once you drag them into dashboard, it will also get hided. Okay, so once we created this, you need to be published. Everyone go for create your public account. There is server sign in option would be there. Okay, so cancel it, go for server, publish workbook. Okay, Tableau public is there. Try to go for click on Tableau public and open Tableau public. Save into Tableau public. Click on this.
Srinivas sir, your voice not audible. Can you please
Sorry, time. So month is ping gender. Save into Tableau public. Save to Tableau public. So it will ask you the name of it. Sales dashboard, something you can give it and save. Already it's there. Already some sales dashboard is there. Give it some name. Save it. Sending into the server. Same way we can publish into the Tableau server as well. Okay. Once you published in, automatically server web link will be open. Okay. So it will show you that where you have this published it. So here you can see in the web. So similarly, you can create your public accounts, and they will asking these days. So what is your public account? How many dashboards are there? Can you show me like this? So this is my public account. You can go for try to create your own. How we can create it? Simple. Go with a Google. Tableau public. You can put it. Tableau public login. Public.tableau.com would be there. So click on Tableau public login. If you already created account, email and password login. Create one new for free. Click on in the bottom new account you are creating. Go for create it. Name, email ID, password and country. Okay, create my account. Once you create it, you can directly log into your public account. Okay, simple. Give your name and email ID, personal email ID, password. Select the region, India, accept it and create my account. Okay, once you did, you can log in it. So whatever you created your sample dashboard, you can publish into your account. While you are publishing, you can ask us what is your credentials. You need to provide here. Okay, save it to public. When you go for save it, it's asked that username and password of it. Okay, publish it there. Okay, all right. So we can go for close the session here today. So tomorrow we can see that what is the different types of filters we have it. All the types we can see it tomorrow. Okay, so you need to be complete this dashboard and post in the group. It's a practice is important. Then only you can remember it. This is all options. So try to build the same dashboard and post it in the group. Okay. Thank you guys.
Srinivas,
See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
క్లాస్ ఏమన్నా
Thank you.
జరుగుతుందా ఎస్టర్డే ఆర్ సాటర్డే?
No, I haven't taken any class on Saturday. Okay.
ఎస్టర్డే మండే.
Yesterday also. Yesterday and Monday also I haven't taken. So maybe in 26 I will take it around 5 hour session. Okay. Be prepared.
ఓకే
26 we spend some more time.
ఓకే.
Okay. Thank you.
కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్
Yeah, I
అప్లోడ్
will send that recording. I will send the recording.
డేటా టెన్త్ వీడియో ఆల్సో కెన్ యూ అప్లోడ్
Yeah, yeah, I will share it.
డేటా టెన్త్?
Sure, sure.